Every single review you get is impacting your business, whether it's a 1-star or a 5-star. Okay, that's very important to realize. I know a software that's gonna help you out. All right, it's NiceJob. Let's get straight in. So what you get with NiceJob is, in an overall, you can actually go in, it teaches you to take snippets of the review, post them to your Instagram, your Facebook, things like that. Instagram is brand new to get in this post, okay? And it actually lets you tailor your reviews. We all know that some reviews drone on. We all know there's some parts of reviews we don't actually want shown, all right? So we're taking that review and we're snipping it. So that's what this is. Let's try it for free so I can show you. It's really easy like this, guys, all right? You can get your review, put the name in, this person, this email, this phone, all right, and send it off. And guess what? They'll give you a review of your company. You need these reviews to look like a real company. People will automatically look at you and think, not sure that they are real because they don't have reviews. You can create a story with them reviews, okay? You could create a story. So we've got the diving logo that I work for here, all right? And you can add the comment like, I love this job so much, all right? And get reviews for your stories. Let's send it to Dave. Let's send it to... you know, like that. Send it to all your friends, invite, and they will actually review on here. Then you can go over and start your campaigns, okay? Get your campaigns running for the get reviews, and you can have referrals and happy customers in there as well. It'll save all your reviewers, all right, what we call customers in here, and it allows you to have them all in one place, so you can just post on Instagram, post on Facebook, through the segments, the positive, the neutral, the negatives, okay, and get them straight in. It's insane how well this can grow your business, guys. So get started now. Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and get reviewing.